I took the distributor off. I cleaned the living daylights out of it with this stuff. I sanded it with this stuff. I cleaned the female side with a little insert here, cleaned that up. I even pre-stressed the little pins on the distributor side a little, kind of spread them with a little bit better contact. Put it all back together, started, 20 minutes into the idle, boom, cuts off. No restart, no trace on the scope while cranking. Go over here, while standing over here, carefully reach my hand in here, pressing very hard right on that plug, which is right inward. Put pressure on that, reach over, crank starts instantly. Now, after trying to restart it several times, okay? So, I don't think there can be any more definitive test than that. I know how to restart it when it stops. I know exactly where the problem is. Applying lateral pressure to this brings it right back to life. So, why would that be? Well, assuming the contacts are not the issue, which I don't think they are because they work fine with that distributor, then that leads me to think that there's something internal between the little pins. Here, let me show you on this distributor. These pins right here, they have to go into make contact with something, I presume some kind of circuit board. My guess is there's a fracture or some kind of a joint issue there that opens up with heat. And by pressing it, you can overcome that. But I have to pull it apart. I have a crank angle sensor supposed to be here today, aftermarket one. I have to pull the existing one out anyway. So my plan is to pull the existing one out, examine it closely, see if I can see what the issue is there. And then if I can't, well, I'm going to replace the crank angles with the aftermarket one. If it's obvious, if I can see an obvious break, I may just fix the OE crank angle sensor and keep the aftermarket as a backup. I don't like mysteries. I really don't like mysteries, so I'd like to find out exactly where the failure point is on the distributor. On this is Jeff. Jeff is fine. On this one here, why it is that when you stress that pin, that plug right here, just push it in, it comes right back to life. Now remember, that's not an issue with Jeff's distributor. I cannot replicate this failure in Jeff's distributor, which is why I don't think it's the plug. I think it's the distributor. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to close this out until I get the new crank angle sensor. If I find out anything, I'll bring it back for a picture of it. Otherwise, the next series of videos will probably be with the new crank angle sensor installed because I can't fix this one. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. It's been a long journey, but I think I got an answer now. And project goes on. Thanks for watching. Bye.